The question says if B is equal to 40 kg, then from the following figures find out the weights of A and C. First of all, you see that there are two balances over here. You have got two balances, number 1, number 2, and there are certain weights. Basically, there are three weights A, B, and C, and these are some of the A's and B balls are kept on the pans of these balances and they are balanced, and from there you have been given the weight of B, which is equal to 40 kg. Then you have been asked to figure out the weight of A and C. So from the first figure, you can see that on the left hand side pan we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 A's. 8 A's are there. 8 A's are there. And on the right hand side we have got 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 A's plus 2 B's. Two number of B's are. So you can see that as because these are balanced, we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4. Four number of A's are exactly balancing 1, 2, 3, 4. Four number of A's on the right hand side. So 4 A's on the left hand side are balancing the weight of 4 A's on the right hand sides. So now we will be left with 4A and 2B. So we can say that 4 number of A's are balancing 2 number of B's. So now if you suppose the weight of ball A is A itself, weight of ball A is A itself, then we can write 4 into A equal to 2 into 2 multiplied by B. So 2 times B, this is 2 times B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times A's. So now if you solve this question, so 2 times B, we know that B is equal to 40 kg. So we can write that down. So 2 times 40 is equal to 4 times A. So 422 into 40 is equal to 80 and 4 times A. Now think of a number which you can multiply with 4 to arrive at 80, or simply you can divide both the sides of equations by 4, that is 80 divided by 4, let 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So carry out the division, long division, 4 2s are 8 is 0. So A is equal to, and write down, A is equal to 20 kg. A is equal to 20 kg. So we have found the weight of A. So basically what is happening, again let me tell you, 4A is balancing 2 B's that we have expressed over here, and then we have taken the weight of B which is given, that is equal to 40 kg, and 40 times 2 times 40 is equal to 80, and that should be equal to 4 times the weight of A. So you can guess the value of A, which is equal to 20, because 4 times 20 equals 80. Therefore A equal to 20 kg. So this is one of the question. This is one of the type of questions that may be there, and you will have options. Suppose there are options, there may be 20, 30, 10, 40. So now the trick is to use process of elimination. You may plug all the options in this equation. You may check 40 into 30, which is equal to 120, which is not equal to 80. Therefore this is not the right option. You may check with 10, 4 tens are 40, again that is not equal to 80, so this is not the right option. So finally you will arrive at the option 20. So you can check 20 into 4 equal to 8. So by this way also, by process of elimination also, you can also find out the weight of A, because in real exam you will have options like this. You can put in the option and check whether you are getting the desired value or not. Please do not leave the questions. Try to answer all the questions. As we have figured out the weight of A, which is equal to 20 kg, from figure 2, this is figure 2, we will figure out the weight of C. So here you can see that 3 A's or 320 kgs are 3 number of 20 kgs are balancing exactly 2 number of C's. So if the weight of 1 C is C itself, then we can write 2 into C is equal to 3 into A or 3 into. Let us solve that. 2 into C equal to 3 into 3 multiplied by 20 is, you can check that this is equal to 60 kg to C. So now again here there will be options in the exam like 30, 10, 40, 20. You may plug each of the option into C, then check that 20 2s are 40, no, so this is not the right option. 40 2s are 80, no, this is also not the right option. 10 2s are 20, this is not the right option. 30 2s are 30 into 2, 3 2s are 6 and 0, so 30 2s are 60, yes, this is the right option. So this will fit into C. So this is how also you can find out the value of C by something called process of elimination, that is you are eliminating wrong answers to find out the right or answer. So here you have to plug in each of the option and check, or it is better if you know some calculations. So what you can do, you can divide both the sides by 2. So this 2 gets cancelled, so 2 ones are 2, C into 1 is C, and this 60 divided by 2 to carry out long division. 2 3s are 6, here comes 0 0 and 0. So this will give C equal to 30 right away, or you can do like this also. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 0. So there are multiple ways of arriving at the answer. You can, the basic thing is that you have to understand calculations, or you have to know process of eliminations. There are multiple ways. There is no way you can leave such questions unanswered and get 0 marks. There are ways, many ways to arrive at the right answer. I have told you most of the ways. So the weight of C is 30 kg. So this is the answer. These are the answers to the asked question. Weight of A is 20 kg. Weight of C is 30 kg. So keep practicing such questions to build your confidence. Thank you.